Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make butter chicken. So let's get started. To make butter chicken is a two-step process. The first is the marinade and the second is the sauce. For the chicken marinade, I've got here 1 kilo of boneless chicken, 1/3 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder, or you can add it according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And for the sauce, I've got here 1.5 cups of hot water, 4 medium tomatoes which I have chopped, 1/4 cup of cream, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or you can use palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder or you can add it according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 medium onion which I have chopped. You will also need a strainer and a stick mixer or a blender or a food processor. To marinate the chicken, take the chicken, add yogurt, turmeric, paprika, garam masala, salt, ginger paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, garlic paste, oil and lemon juice. Mix it well to combine. Cover it and let it marinate for 30 minutes or overnight if possible. After 30 minutes, place a pot on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add chicken and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 5 minutes, take the chicken and the juices out in a dish. Wipe the pot clean with a paper towel. Put it back on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter and heat it. Add onions and cook it until the onions are translucent. Add tomatoes, cashew nuts, ginger and garlic paste, paprika, coriander powder, sugar, garam masala, chili powder, cumin powder, salt and water. Give it a mix and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring it twice. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off, transfer it in a dish and blend it until smooth using a stick mixer or a blender or a food processor. Use a strainer and strain it back into the pot and throw the pulp away. Add cooked chicken with the juices, cream and butter. Put it on low heat, give it a mix and let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring it twice. After 10 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My butter chicken is ready and you can serve it with roti, rice, chapati or papadums. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.